means that our perception of frequencies are very limited. We have a very limited range of how we hear sound. The frequencies are limited. So we explore the philosophical aspect of mental disorder. We discuss the psychological aspect. We talk about the physics. Let's talk about the musical aspect of mental disorder, the theoretical aspect of music. We can go back to Pythagoras and the first chromatic scales, but we're going to talk specifically about the chromatic scales, or in fact, let's just go all the way to the diatonic scales. The diatonic scales is a number of notes that was extracted from the chromatic scales to form the musical structure in the Western Hemisphere. One of the biggest phenomena we have in music is something called octaves. Why do we hear octaves? Why, when you double a chord, or let's say primarily an A chord consists of 440 hertz.